It's the same story, and that's the beauty when you look at the chart and you know what you're looking at. You can define or identify the market condition, and based on identifying the market condition, you can have an anticipation of how to trade that specific pair. Again, from 107.34 to 122. That's another 15% in less than a month. This makes that move a little bit of another gift, and all what we have to do now is identify the structural point, because that is going to be our selling point. This is 64. You see, when you identify your market condition, guys, it makes your trade plan so easy that you can know exactly where you want to, what is your high probability trade, so you're not going to waste time on it. Unless it goes below the 119.64, you don't want to mess around with shorting the euro yen. And also, as you can see here, it did break below it on Thursday, and it came back above it, and it sat on top of it on Friday. So this is a double confirmation. So this is our short. Euro yen, we're going to go short below 119.64. My structure short is 119.64, and my short stop is 119.64. Alright, now where we are going to be buying this, it's also quite a, if you look at this chart, you can see the decline that's coming in. Our actually has been kind of, that's my momentum low right there, and it's been kind of coming back to retest it. Now it broke below it. Okay, so this is very nice. Our reference point is the 120.15. And you see it is also the 4 days low, the 120.15, which we identified from the intraday chart, because we identified the original momentum. Thank you, Amataz. Because we are able to identify the original momentum, so now we can see that now it makes reference, and it's also the 4 days. So we can now come and buy it. We can buy above the 120.20. Alright, so let's do this. I'm trying to pick a safe stop, a safe buy. You can buy here. You can buy here. Okay. The guys that have the software, you can look at the break of the original range. If you have the breakout out of the range at or around the 120.15, so that's a buy. The guys that do not have the software, you can buy it above the 120. This is going to be your buy. Okay. And we're going to place your stop below the 120.15. So we're going to put the buy at above 120. You're going to place your stop $120.15. So what I'm trying to say is, you can buy initially, if you want, above the 120.20, or you can take the buy if you're conservative. If you don't have the software, if you can't identify the ranges and stuff like that, you can buy it above the 120.58, and you place your stop below the actual long entry. Okay. So, but I'm using it this way. So we're going to be buying above 120.60, and we are going to place our stop below the 120.15. My structure long, I didn't do the structure long. It's 124.37. So my structure long is 124.37. And that's a good move. I mean, you can expect a good potential move to 124.37. So from 120 to 124, you're looking at 500 pip move to the upside in the euro yen. Okay, so my structure long is the 124.37. We are only going to go short below 119.64. Our structure short is the 119.64, and it is also our stop. Okay, that is the euro yen. So let me stop that for the recording.